Hello, Gucci's family. How are you? How you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say you are welcome and thank you for tuning in. And I'm thanking you all that have gone ahead to subscribe to this platform. I'm grateful and I do appreciate it. Thank you all so very much. Gucci's team, I'm very, very, very grateful. Yeah, thank you all so much. Hope you've been having fun. Yeah. Alright, so before I get started, let me just introduce what I'm doing today. You might be wondering what I have. I have cocoyam. Yeah, we are doing cocoyam soup today. We call it ofo onubu. Yeah, the African special delicacy from our Anambra brothers and sisters. It is called ofo onubu, and we usually use this for ofo onubu. So this is it, cocoyam. Yeah, cocoyam. I got this from Kroger's. In case you want to know where you can get this, you get it from Kroger. This is how it is. This is the bag. It is called taro root. Okay, so this is how you basically clean it. You just look for the ugly parts. You just take them off, like parts like this. You take these ugly parts away. That's what I'm doing. You don't really need to peel it up. You're going to just take it out from the skin. By the time it's properly cooked, I'll show you. You just cook it for about 15 minutes. If it's a good one, it will even cook before 15 minutes. Okay, it's the same thing like yam. Yeah, so you just go ahead and peel it up a little bit, like taking the ugly part out of it, like see what I'm taking out from it. So you open it up into two because you want it to cook quickly, and then I'll show you by the time I'll be putting it in the pot. Okay, and then I'll show you other things one after the other because I'm trying not to create a lot of mess by the time I'm done cooking this soup. I just want to cook this soup as fast as possible and then rest my body. Stay tuned. All you're going to do here is just to wash it out and make sure you wash it properly. Just wash it like 2-3 times and it will be clean because it has sand on it. So you have to wash very well until those sand is out of it. Okay? So from this is after washing. This is it after washing. I'm going to add it to the pot right away. And then I'll come back to check it after 15 minutes. Sometimes 10 minutes. Okay? Depending on the cocoyam. Here is one of the major ingredients for this onubu soup recipe. This is my onubu. I washed it by myself. Yeah, I have a small garden where I have been plucking my onubu and I've put all of them together. I'm able to get this much. I'm so grateful to God. So you can go ahead and check out my how you can wash your bitter leaf. I have that on this platform where Esther washed bitter leaf, showing you all how to wash bitter leaf in case you want to learn how to wash bitter leaf. Okay, this is a very good vegetable, highly medicinal. Okay, so I'm going to set my bitter leaf into the pot. Yeah, because you have to cook your bitter leaf to take out the bitterness, because you don't want it to be too bitter now. Even though I like my onubu soup with a little bitterness, so but you just want to cook it out because I just washed this one. If you see how fresh it's looking, I just washed this bitter leaf, so I'll allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. My cocoyam is cooking, my bitter leaf is cooking. I'm going to put my stockfish in the pot. I'll put my stockfish in the pot. I'll start adding up things because I want them to start cooking. Okay? Yeah. Onubu soup, you need stockfish, you need some good protein to make it taste very delicious and sumptuous. Here is my beef tripe. I'm going to add it to the pot. Okay, here I have some beef. I'm going to add beef to this pot. Alright guys, I'm going to add up some chicken. Yeah, this is going to be a huge pot. Yeah. I know you'll be wondering. It's a big pot of soup. I'm going to bring out some from here. I've been waiting for it to defrost. Yeah, guys, goat meat is so scarce. I got this all the way from Atlanta. Goat meat is so scarce. This goat meat is about almost $75 for just this bag. How many pounds? This is about honestly, I can't even see the pounds here, but yeah, I don't even know how many pounds, but this is, oh, okay, it's about 10 pounds, right? Guys, now I'm going to be blending all of this together. These are my chilies and my bell pepper, red bell, and then my scotch bonnet, onion and ginger. You can go ahead and skip any of this, okay? So I'm going to blend this all together. Okay, I'm going to add my blended sauce like so. At this point, I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning. I'm not going to chop any more onions to this because I've gone ahead to blend all the onion, as you can see. So I don't want to pick onion in this. This is onugbu soup. Yeah, it's not like any other soup. This is onugbu soup. You don't want to see the pieces of onion in onugbu soup. So I'm going to add my salt to taste. Go ahead and add to your preference. And then we'll let it cook until it's tender. I want to be fast about this cooking. That's why I've gone ahead to cook all of this together. Okay, so I'll show you the cocoyam. The cocoyam is ready after about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pound this together. And our bitter leaf is ready. I'm going to go ahead and wash up this water and set it all ready. See my okwodo. See my okwodo. See my odo. Yeah. Do you guys remember this? This is how we do the onugbu soup. The ofede, the ofe oha, the ofe akwukwo. Yes, this is how we do the ofe akwukwo. The ofede. Yeah, I'm going to pound the yam for you guys soon with this my mortar. I got this from Atlanta when I traveled to Atlanta last month, right? Yeah, I mean, I was so happy. So this is the cocoyam, and this is how you just remove the skin. You see how easy? That is why you should go this way. Very easy. You just remove it like so. That's the way my mother taught me to do it. This is how I used to do it. I remember those days in my mother's kitchen. My mother will be doing other things and I'll be pounding the crayfish. I'll be pounding the pepper. So here is my ogiri, yes. Ogiri is very, very, very important in this very soup. Without ogiri, what are you doing with ofe onugbu? Without ogiri, what are you doing with ofede? Yeah, so this is my ogiri, guys. I've been managing this. I'll just throw in this. I'll pound it together with the cocoyam. Yeah. You all, I'm in the village right now. Yeah, I was so fascinated when I saw this Odo in Atlanta that day. I was so excited. I couldn't just leave it. I had to pick one. It was just two. So, I don't know if you have things like this where you live. Let me know in the comment section. But this is making me feel very good. Like, I am doing village soup right now. Yeah, village soup. That's what I'm doing. I feel good. I feel good. I know that I do. So good. So good. This is having fun. You guys will be wondering, what am I celebrating? I am prepping for my birthday. Okay, guys? Yeah. I did it onubu soup on Esther's graduation party, but guess what, guys? I did not taste one spoon of it. So I told myself, I'm going to give myself a good treat on my birthday. This soup for my husband to enjoy, for my husband uncle is coming here to come and celebrate my birthday with me. Yeah. So I'm making this delicious delicacy for my husband and my husband uncle and my very self birthday girl. Yeah. If you need me to send you some, let me see your comments in that comment section. If you like onubu soup, let me see your comments, okay? I hope you're liking this video. I hope you are liking this video. So guys, our cocoyam is ready. See what I got. See, you pound until it is completely smooth. And my homemade fish, I'm going to clean them up and get them ready, okay, to go into the soup. The deboned fish, go ahead and try it. I have homemade fish recipe on my platform. Go and make yourself some homemade fish. You will love it. Okay, all of this is so nice and tender. Yeah, I'll start adding every other thing. Yeah. And then here is my palm kernel juice. That's what I'm using for this bitter leaf soup recipe. You can use oil, you can use palm kernel. So this is a very special one. Go ahead and use oil. I'm using palm kernel juice. Guys, this is a delicious ofe onubu. Very delicious bitter leaf soup. Alright guys, I'm going to add my bitter leaf. Yeah. I'm going to add my bitter leaf like so. You can add your cocoyam first or you add your bitter leaf, whichever way. I want my bitter leaf to come out very tender. I want it to come out very, very tender. This is the old school way how our mothers used to go about ofe onubu. By the time you're done cooking your ofe onubu this way, you will be sure that you really made a delicious ofe onubu. After 5 minutes, I will add my cocoyam like so. You just want to pieces your cocoyam in. Alright guys, so this is our ede on top of the onubu. So now you just want to break them in. Remember our ogiri is right there. Our meats are soft and tender. They are very, very tender and soft. This is a very delicious ofe onubu. Okay, I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook until the cocoyam melts up. I'll show you. Okay guys. Alright family, here is my onubu soup. Onubu soup. Guys, see how delicious this pot is looking. See the consistency. By tomorrow now, this soup will be so thick. This is it for our onubu soup, guys. Yeah. I hope you have liked this video, Gucci's team. Guys, you need to taste this soup. Like, this soup tastes so delicious. Yeah. It tastes so delicious. Alright, Gucci's family. I have made it for my family this birthday. Okay? You all go ahead and try it out and let me see your comments in the comment section. If you have been watching till now, you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? You need to subscribe so you can check out this soup and go and make it for your family. You will love, love, love it. It's a very delicious recipe. You can't miss out. The team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.